Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today it's all about country style boneless ribs, and this episode starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back. I feel very festive today, as you can see. It's almost Halloween. I love the holidays. So each video during the holidays, I'll have something different on just to be festive because I love it so much. As I mentioned, today it's all about country style boneless ribs. And what I did was I have 4 country style boneless ribs right here, and I cut them up. I diced them up in probably about an inch per piece, and it's very simple. Let me take you over here and show you what I put into this to marinate it. You can marinate it for like 30 minutes if you'd like. We have salt. I'm using salt, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, black pepper, oregano. We are going to garnish with some fresh cilantro, and I have 2 limes squeezed in the meat, and I also have 1 lime sliced that I'm going to put it in our liquid to cook our delicious boneless country style ribs. We're going to accompany that with some fluffy white jasmine rice and some twice fried green plantains. And you guys, I'll meet you at the stove and let's get cooking. I'm back at the stove, and here, let me show you. We have equal parts 1 cup of VO juice, vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Now you're probably wondering, that's really weird because oil and water don't mix. You're right, but that's okay. I'm going to start heating this up, and the way it works is so amazing because the water is going to cook the pork and the oil is going to fry it. We're going to put the pork in our pan. I'm going to go ahead and put it in our pan. Doesn't matter if the pan's not hot. It'll work its way up. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. So easy. This is a very simple dinner, guys. Now, don't forget, guys, I forgot to mention, I mentioned all these spices so fast. It's a teaspoon of each. Oh, and one more spice that I added that I don't have here is, of course, a teaspoon and a half of chicken bouillon powder. Very important. Chicken bouillon powder. So our rice is ready. Now I'm going to take the lid off because we are also going to add our lime slices in here. Although it's already marinated with lime juice, we're still going to add it in there. Okay guys, I'm back for a minute, and I wanted to show you our water is almost fully evaporated. So now what we're going to do is take the lid off for another 10 minutes, and now these pork chunks are going to start to fry. You see? The water is almost gone. So we're going to leave it on high for another 15 minutes, and they will be ready when I come back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. You hear that? Look at that. Our water is gone. Do you hear how that's frying in there on high? So what I did was I took the lemon pieces out. And now we're going to fry our meat. So we are about probably 5 to 8 minutes away. So you guys, stand by. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and we are ready to taste. Yum, yum. Look at this. With our twice fried green plantains, our fluffy rice. These pork chunks, you guys, are so juicy and fried. Oh my God, it's so delicious, you guys. I have my fresh cilantro with my piece of meat, some rice, and I'll grab a bite of the plantain. Yum, yum. Here we go. Ready? Oh my God, it's so good. God, you got crunch. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. So lemony, so delicious. And the pork is fried on the outside. Sorry. And so juicy, you guys. So juicy, you guys. I made a mess all that's over. I don't care. You all know me already. I'm gonna try it again. Just to make sure. Fresh cilantro pops in your mouth. Yum. Oh my god. Mm. Mm. So delicious, you guys. Mm. Ah, it's so good. Sorry. Remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And don't forget to comment. And remember, you guys, as I started to say, make sure that you include your two main ingredients, which are passion and love. That's what I include in all my recipes. That's why they're so delicious. You can't go wrong with those two ingredients. Always make them your main ingredients. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you then. Take great care.